In this video, we will show you how to check computer login history Windows 11. This is also works on Windows 10 also. First, in here, to check your computer login history, just type on the search bar Event Viewer. Okay, you can see Event Viewer, and then you can run the application. This application is actually existing or default on Windows operating system, so you don't need to install this application. You can just find and open the application, and in here you need to go to the application and services logs. Okay, and in here go to Microsoft and choose Windows. Okay, after that please scroll down and select user profile services. Okay, user profile services. Okay, in here, and select operational, and the login history is using event ID 2. Okay, as you can see here, every event ID 2, this is a login information, and the log of information is using ID 4. Okay, the ID 2 is mean login history, and the ID 4 is mean log of history or exit. Let's see. Okay, you can see there the event ID 2 in this date and time, and if you scroll down, there is username in here. The username login is WD, and computer name is WhereData. As you can see here, my user is WD. You can also check the login information like a date. Okay, and the event ID 2 is login, and you can also see the opcode is info, and also same with login information, you can see the event ID 4 is log of information. Okay, this is the user, and this is the computer name, and this is the date. You can also save all event in here if you need maybe to open in another day. And that's all tutorial how to see computer login history on Windows 11 and also works on Windows 10. Hope this video helpful for you.